I bought this Apple Watch for 20 euros because someone already failed to repair it, and somehow this destroyed 3 euro cable was the only thing standing between scrap and profit. Today I have an Apple Watch Series 6 that I bought for 20 euros. Someone already tried to repair it before me and removed the screen. At first it looks like it has two big problems that I can see. The back glass is cracked, but it is still usable and not completely destroyed. It's gonna lower the selling price, but it's fine. The bigger problem is the screen. Someone damaged the screen flex cable and because of that the display no longer works. Let's take a closer look at the flex cable and confirm the damage. Yeah, this is definitely damaged. A few of the pads scratched and some of them look ripped, so this is not gonna work, so we have to replace it. There could still be a problem with the screen itself, but for 20 euros I decided to take the risk and try replacing the flex cable. Either way, I wanna see if I can replace the flex cable anyway. First, I need to remove the battery. The cable is soldered directly to the board, so this is not gonna be an easy repair. I will add some IPA and loosen the tape covering it. And of course, I forgot one more connector that needs to come off first. Now we are ready. There are a lot of solder balls here, and honestly, I don't think I can cleanly remove this solder wick. At least, I don't think my skill set is good enough for this. So instead, I'm gonna melt the solder and carefully pull the old cable away. I don't really care if the old cable gets damaged because it's already bad anyway. To make it easier, I will add some leaded solder to lower the melting temperature.
"2,000 years later."
Alright, that was actually pretty difficult, but the old cable is finally removed. Now I just need to clean up the leftover solder. And yeah, looks good. This is the replacement flex cable. It only cost me 3 euros, and if this works, this could still be a really good repair. Now let's install the new cable and connect the screen, plug the battery back in for the test. Alright, new cable is soldered back. There is no way to confirm if I did it correctly, so we will see. Honestly, I'm not really hopeful, but let's see what happens. I'll also connect the charger cause it has been sitting here for a couple days and I'm pretty sure the battery is long gone. Alright, nothing seems to be happening. It might be because the watch is dead, or maybe the soldering job I did is bad also. Oh no, wait a minute, no way, we have the low battery icon. That means the cable is working. I can't actually believe this worked. I will let it charge for 10 minutes and see if the watch boots properly, and I will come back. And there we go, we have the Apple Watch fully working again. Let's see the touch screen. Yes, it's also responding, and the screen survived too, so this is a really good deal right now. Still, we have the back glass broken, but replacing it will be expensive, so it's much better to sell it this way and maybe lower the price. And this watch can probably sell around 100 to 150 euros, but with the broken glass, I think 100 euro is more realistic. So it was really difficult, very easy to mess up, and I don't think the success rate is high. Still, for this one we got lucky and we were able to solder it back in place.